Paula, choose the correct answer. Araula, yes. Ang dami naman nung kay ma'am, nag-shopping siya. Ma'am, birthday blessing to Dustin. Hi, ma'am.
Ay, hi! I'm MJ Araula po. And ito yung anak ko, si Rafa. Hi! Happy birthday! Dustin, nandito ako to represent po yung editor sa TikTok and also yung mga chefies around the world, including Australia, Middle East, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, tsaka yung mga dito rin sa Philippines. So, ito po yung message namin. Medyo mahaba, so ika-cut short ko na. Happy birthday to the better half of the Daspia duo, Dustin Yu. Thank you for being someone who brings comfort, happiness, and inspiration to so many people without even trying. Through every smile, every achievement, and every little moment you share, you've touched the hearts of your fans in ways you may never fully realize. Keep shining, keep dreaming, and keep being the beautiful soul that makes so many people believe in you. Happy birthday, Dustin! We love you so much. Ling, Yumi, Romelan, MJ, Jen, Mami Ruth, Mami Maribe, Mami Stella, and Mami Maria. Happy birthday!
Di ba po no, napabayaan na yung bata kakapukpo?
Gusto niya po maging future Dustin Yu.
Wow!